Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty your inventory on the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry 5 game and continue playing your previous save, or you may also start a new game if you wish to do so. Now, while you are playing the game, you will be able to find various different items that you can collect, and you can also loot from the enemies that you kill. However, if your inventory is full, then you will not be able to collect any more items, which means that you will need to get rid of the items that you don't want in order to create space for other ones. In order to do this, you can go into any shop and tap on the R button. From here, you will now see a quick menu which says Sell Loot. When you click on this, you will be able to choose all the loots that you want to sell. You can press on the Quick Sell button, which will sell all of the items that you have within your inventory. After selling this, you will now be told that your inventory is now empty, which means that you can now collect various different items once again until your inventory is full. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to empty your inventory on the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.